In today's video guys, we are going to say about some of the good things about the all new Hero HF Deluxe i3s, and this is the 2020 model and the BS6 model. Now let's see what all the features this vehicle actually offers and the good things about this vehicle. Without further delay, let's get into the work, and you are watching BVJ Tech Motor Riders. The first good thing about this vehicle is the mileage that this vehicle offers. In the city conditions, this vehicle gives a really very good mileage. Almost it gives 68 to 70 kmpl in the city conditions, and on the highways 75 kilometers per liter. This is really very good thing for this vehicle. And if you are planning to buy this bike for its mileage, it is the best option. So this is a good thing for this vehicle.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger.
The second good thing about this vehicle is its engine. This vehicle comes with a 97cc engine which puts out a maximum power of around 7.8 bhp and a peak torque of around 8.5 Newton meters. And we get 4-speed gearbox in this vehicle. And the power of this vehicle is also decent good. The third good thing about this vehicle is the less service and maintenance cost of this vehicle. The maintenance cost of this vehicle is really very less, and for a general service guys, we just require only 5 to 600 rupees, which is really very economical and a good thing for this vehicle. The suspension in this vehicle is really very comfortable and it provides good stability on the roads. In the front section guys, we get the telescopic forks, and in the rear section we get a twin shock absorbers which can be 2-step adjustable. That means we can adjust the suspension according to our comfort in 2 ways. This vehicle weighs only 112 kgs, which is really very light in weight, and we almost get 165 mm ground clearance, which is decent good to cross all the harsh road conditions. And the seat height of this vehicle is 805 mm, which enables all the types of the riders to ride this vehicle with good comfort. So this is a good thing for this vehicle. The looks of this vehicle are really very attractive. This vehicle comes with the red and black paint scheme, which makes it very unique and very attractive. The alloy wheels are painted silver, which makes it look unique, and this is a good thing for this vehicle. In this vehicle we also get the i3s technology that Hero Motorcycles offers. The i3s technology main use is in the traffic conditions. While we are in the traffic, we will mostly turn off the vehicle. After turning off the vehicle, we have to again self-start the vehicle. Instead of self-starting, we just apply the clutch for the vehicle will start automatically. This is the main use of i3s technology, and the vehicle will be automatically offed in the traffic signals, and this is a good thing for this vehicle and also improves the mileage of this bike. This vehicle main safety feature is it's getting the side stand indication. It is really a life-saving feature, and one good thing is when the side stand is on, the vehicle won't start. So this is the best life-saving features in this vehicle, and this feature is offered by all Hero vehicles. The last good thing about this vehicle is the cost of the vehicle. This vehicle's ex-showroom price is almost 58,000 rupees, which is very economical. This vehicle has most of the features like good mileage it offers, it has good looks, the i3s technology, the alloy wheels, and makes this bike one of the best selling bikes in the Indian market. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and be a part of our family, because with your support only we can do much more videos like this video. Until next time, this is Vinit Verma signing off.